Hi there everyone, welcome back again. Today I'm going to share you top 10 3D model website. You can download 3D models and assets for free. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1, designconnected.com. When you can visit designconnected.com, you just need to select here products, and then you can find a lot of things. If you want to download free models from here, select the free option. So as you can see here, there are a lot of free assets that you can download for free. So okay, so maybe I want to download this kind of light over here. So just select it, and then you can click free download. I want to download it for 3ds Max. So select and then download. After a few seconds, download will start. So after download it, I want to show you the model quality, and I'll open it in 3ds Max. So this is model that I download just now. So as you can see, the model quality also have here texture file. So they provide two different folder. One is max file and other maps. All the texture and map available for this model. Okay. Number 2, B&B Italia. So here you can download high quality 3D model regarding based on furniture. So if I download the furniture over here, you just need to select here products, and then you can find a lot of indoor and outdoor furniture. So maybe I want to download bed, choose this bed for download. So click here, and then you need to jump in bottom of this page, and then here you can find start configuring. So click here, and then it takes few seconds to configure to download 3D model. After that, you are able to get here PDF 3D image. So I want to download 3D, so click here, and then it takes some few seconds, and then click download, and then the 3D modeling has downloaded without any distraction. So as you can see, we're able to download this model. Polygon.com. So here you can download free 3D model and texture. So maybe I want to download this. So here just click here free, and you can select here software, like you can download SketchUp, Maya, Cinema 4D, Blender or 3ds Max, and just click here download. Then download will start. Let's open it 3ds Max. So this is the model. Okay, 3dshopfree.com. So here you can download different kind of 3D models. Also you can download free scene file. So as you can see here, you can download free scene file of interior and exterior also. So you can download easily full interior scene. So just you need to select you need to click the download option, and then they provide full link in this scene file, and then click here. You can download it easily from here. 3dmili.com. So also you can download it high quality 3D scene file and 3D model over here, and then for that you need to here, if you want to download exterior, then you need to exteriors, or if you want to download interior file, then select interior, and then you can find also you can download here interior. So as you can see, there are different kind of interior like office, living room, bed, dressing table, all different kind of 3D model, exhibitions, shop, gym. So many option over here, full scene file and 3D model. Okay, then 3dbrute.com, click free option, and then you can find 3D model. So maybe you can download this spacious looking bedroom. So click download over here, and then it takes some second just then they provide a download link. Then click here, and then whole scene file download scene file. So you can use it in your project and you can practice it from here. So maybe you are beginner, and then you can practice with this scene file. Okay, so this is free, you can download. So here you can download so many things. Okay, so lighting, decoration, furniture, all kind of model you can find here for free. The most popular one, 3dsky.org. So sign in. There is huge collection of 3D model. So you just need to select your desired model, and then some of are paid, some of are free. So if you wanna download free file from here, you need to select free, and then you are able to free download of all this model. 3dzip.org. Here you can download different kind of furniture, kitchen, child room, bedroom, all kind of model you can download from here. Also you can download here scene file. So here scene, then you can download exterior, interior, living room. So let's check the exterior files. So here, as you can see, the high quality exterior model you can download. Not only model, all this texture and plants available in this file. So just you need to go to the bottom of this page, and then maybe you can find the download link. So here, link, and then right click, and then go to this link. Then you can find download link. It takes around 15 seconds. Then you are able to download this file. Ready? So get link, and then as you can see, just click here download. Lumion Vietnam. This is the name of Lumion Vietnam. Maybe you think this is only for Lumion, but not like that. You can download 3ds Max model, Lumion, SketchUp, so many things. Okay, so I want to download 3D models for 3ds Max. So just click here. Then you can find a lot of modeling source. So these are very realistic and high quality model. You can download it for free. Just click here, and then it takes some seconds. Then you are able to download this file. All3dfree.net. Maybe I want to download your fashion products. So just click free download, then download, install. So download is ready. As you can see, this is video file, and then the texture also available. So let's open it 3ds Max. So this is the model quality. As you can see, very high poly modeling with full texture. Okay. So last one, bonus tip. So in this 10 different websites, you are able to download so many model here for free. Also you are already you have a model library. As you know, here Cosmos browser. So here Cosmos browser, you can find so many model, high quality material model. So you just need to install Cosmos, and then download your Cosmos browser. Just drag and drop from here to 3ds Max. Okay, so that's all for today. See you again in next video. Thanks for watching.